Hello everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Dipsong Life. Hope you're all doing well. And today I'm sharing a viral chili cheese recipe. It's called Datsi, and this is traditionally in Bhutan recipe. So let's start. This recipe is so simple, basic, and trust me, it was so delicious. But if you are a chili lover, then you have to try. You must try this recipe. So let's start. You have to heat some oil and add chilies. No matter what chilies you have in your fridge, you can add red chili, green chili, or jalapeno, anything. Whatever you have in your fridge, just throw it and saute for a while. Add some salt and cook it for a while. Now add water and lots of cheese. I'm using a mozzarella grated cheese and slice also, and cover it and cook it and serve hot immediately with hot rice and enjoy. Hope you like this recipe. Give it a like, share and comment, and see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Annyeong.